In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote CPA links on Twitter. Now, this method is going to be great if you've got a little bit of time, but you've got no money. So we're not going to have to spend anything. This is 100% free. So let's go to the computer. So we're going to obviously need a CPA network to do this. My favorite is CPA Grip, but you can go ahead and use Max Bounty, AdWork Media, or any of the other ones. If you haven't already got an account on CPA Grip, go ahead and register. You can register completely for free. All you have to do is sign up using this form here, and you'll then get approved straight away. You'll then be inside of your dashboard, and it will look something like this on CPA Grip. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to go to Offer Tools, and then go ahead and go over to My Offers, and here we can find an offer to promote. Now, I'm going to show you how you can promote a specific type of offer, which is going to convert the best on Twitter, in my opinion. So go ahead and change the country first to the United States, and that's going to load up all of the offers that you can promote to US traffic. Now we want to go to all categories, and we want to go ahead and change that to email/zip submit. And for this to work, all we're going to need is someone's email, and I'm going to show you how you can get someone's email and what offer we can promote. So when you go ahead and search for email/zip submit, you'll find a lot of offers here which are kind of like giveaways, whether that be a Walmart giveaway or like a PayPal gift card giveaway, or some of these are just giving away cash. Now, these are great offers to promote on Twitter, and I'm going to explain why in a second. So we're going to go ahead and look here. You can see this one pays out $1.37, so does this one. This one pays out $2.05, and this is for a PayPal gift card giveaway. Now, make sure you go ahead and choose the mobile one. So you can see this one's for desktop. Basically, if you're on Twitter, you're probably on mobile. So in my opinion, target mobile traffic and use a mobile offer. So go ahead and click on this one. You can choose another one which you understand the method and you understand how this works, but this $750 PayPal gift card is going to be the example that I do use. Now we can go ahead and copy this link. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and change to a US server so we can preview the landing page and so we can have a look at what it actually looks like. So if I go ahead and open a new tab and paste it in here, we'll see the offer in 1 second. Now look, I would recommend you do this as well. You don't need a paid VPN, but just go ahead and check out the offer because now it's saying a Walmart gift card. So we know that we don't want to promote this one. Or if we did want to promote it, we want to make sure we know what we're promoting. Maybe we want to promote a $100 Walmart gift card. So go ahead and click on that. And again, just check your offer. So you can see this one takes us to the correct landing page, which is win a $100 Walmart gift card. So we're going to promote this one, and I'm going to show you now how you can promote it and get free leads to this offer. Now remember, this is a mobile offer, so it's going to convert well on mobile because when you go ahead and compress the screen, it's going to go ahead and go into a mobile format. So we're going to go ahead and promote this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy our link, and now we can go over to Twitter and get people to that link. Now, if you go to Twitter, the one thing that's good about Twitter is you can go ahead and search for what people are tweeting for. So if you go to the search bar in the top right hand corner and you search something like I'm broke, you're going to see all of the tweets from people who are saying I'm broke. So we're going to go ahead and filter these for latest. And now we've got all of these people who have tweeted with the words I'm broke. So you can see here, reminding myself that I'm broke, I'm broke. You've got another one here, I'm broke. I'm broke AS, I'm broke MF who's always online. And these are always going to be people who are going to be interested in a Walmart giveaway because they might be able to win some money. So these people are already broke, so they're not going to take much convincing to actually go ahead and go to your giveaway and enter it, because what have they got to lose, right? All they need to do is enter in their email and we're going to get paid. So when they go ahead and enter in their email, their first name, last name and email, we're going to get paid $1.37. So we're going to go now to Twitter, and on your personal profile, you just want to go ahead and reply to these, and you just want to say something like this. So you want to go ahead and write something like this. Make it comical, make it kind of like humans replying and not a robot. Yeah, same, for fuck's sake. I just entered a Walmart gift card giveaway, I'm that desperate. And then what you would do is you will go ahead and paste in your link. Now you can go ahead and paste in this link from CPA Grip, but it doesn't look great, so I recommend you go ahead and shorten it with bit.ly, or even better, go ahead and buy a domain related to Walmart and the giveaway. Then you would just simply go ahead and post this, and you will go ahead and do this to all of the people who are saying that they're broke. Then it's a numbers game. Some of these people are going to go to your offer. They're then going to go ahead and complete your offer, and you're going to earn money from them completing it. You just have to do this over and over again. Again, this is completely free, and it just requires your time. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you do leave a like and watch this video here if it does interest you.